Welcome to the Recoiler setup tutorial. The Recoiler is a mechanism that allows an easy retraction of the armoured cable from your chosen headphone or handset. The product is compatible with our heavy-duty handset, as well as our single cup and double cup headphones. The Recoiler is supplied in either the left or right cable recoil direction. To install the Recoiler, you will need your chosen headphone or handset, a cable guide and cable roller, 2 cable lock clamps and an Allen key, and the Recoiler. These items are all supplied. The additional items you require are a M3 nut spinner, 35mm hole saw or spade bit, as well as a pair of scissors. This setup video will simply demonstrate how to fit our headphones into the Recoiler. If you require fitting instructions, please visit our user manual. To begin, first find a suitable surface to fit your cable guide, headphone hanger and Recoiler. In this video, I will be using the heavy-duty handset with the left cable recoil direction. We now need to fit together the cable guide and cable roller. Both of these parts are essential in guiding the cable into the correct horizontal direction. First, slot your cable guide through a 32mm cut hole. On the opposing side of the surface, slide the roller onto the 3 cable guide studs. To further secure into place, screw 3 supplied nuts onto the studs like so. This is where you will require the use of an M3 nut spinner or 5.5mm spanner. To lock the cable guide and roller into place, we need to screw the following holes into the wall. However, before doing this, please check that the cable guide is positioned straight. We now need to fit our Recoiler beneath the cable roller. As you can see, I have a space ready for fitting. Both the roller and Recoiler need to be vertically aligned and then should look like this. However, if you're using the right recoil direction, the Recoiler must be installed like so. The recoil direction sticker will indicate the direction of your armoured cable. It's important when your cable is fitted to the Recoiler, it's aligned to the correct side. Once fitted, you must fix your headphone hanger above the cable guide. We're now ready to set up the Recoiler for use with a headphone or handset. First, thread the cable through the cable guide like so. On the rear side, the cable must then thread through the cable roller hole. We'll then be using one of 2 lock clamps. The first clamp will decide your maximum retraction length. This means the maximum length a user can pull the handset from the surface. To lock the clamp into place, we'll be using an Allen key. Thread the clamp through the 3.5mm jack. From the armoured conduit, the clamp must be locked at a minimum of 15 cm. Once positioned, lock into place. You then need to thread the cable through the Recoiler centre hole. Do this until the lock clamp prevents it from going any further. If you're using the right cable recoil direction, you will need to thread the cable through the opposing side. We now need to use the second cable clamp. This will be placed near the end of the armoured conduit. It will stop the cable from being pulled out from the Recoiler. Once locked on, simply thread the cable back through the centre hole like so. We then need to put the 3.5mm jack cable through the hole nearest to the recoil direction sticker. If you're using the right cable recoil direction, you need to use the other hole. Next we need to remove the cable tie. Get a pair of scissors, hold the cable from the wind direction sticker, and snip off the cable tie. Then you need to gently thread the armoured cable around the recoiler. If you're using the recoiler with one of our media players, you must install underneath or at the bottom right or left of the recoiler. You must install this way to avoid the 3.5 jack cable catching with the mechanism. You're now able to use the recoiler. If you have any questions regarding this product, please get in touch at info@blackbox-av.co.uk. Thanks for watching.